Northern Kentucky University, the school, is part of a new partnership that are going to bring more physicians to the area.
Yeah. Medical reporter Liz Bonis joins us now with what it could mean for students and better access to health care in our community. Liz.
Hey guys, good afternoon once again. This partnership bringing together the University of Kentucky, Northern Kentucky University, and St. Elizabeth Healthcare. Today, the team announced hundreds apply who don't get into medical schools every year. And even though the need for doctors continues to grow and our health problems are growing too, this is what we need.
He called them the Kentucky Uglies, that we led the nation in cancer and respiratory disease, that we were 6th in heart disease, 7th in diabetes, and 8th in stroke. Too many lives cut short, too many dreams extinguished.
Dr. Eli Capilouto kicked off this news conference today, sharing some of the health problems often linked to tobacco and lifestyle in the state of Kentucky, while posing the question.
You pause and ask, why are we here? And then, what are we going to do about it?
Today, the University of Kentucky, Northern Kentucky University, and St. Elizabeth Healthcare helped answer that question. They've launched a regional medical school here on the campus of NKU. Classes would begin here and would then be followed by hands-on training with providers at St. Elizabeth Healthcare. Together, it would complete a 4-year medical education program.
So I think where this will really be very beneficial is in the future, because up to 40 students will be graduating. So you'll have 40 physicians graduating each and every year. And so if we have the ability to keep a majority of those in this community, then that will definitely improve the health care of this community.
The team here admits this is sort of a work in progress, but each institution is committed to making this work.
This will provide an opportunity. There'll be a certain number of preferred slots in the medical school for NKU undergraduates who want to get a medical education.
And as for what can often get in the way of enrolling in medical school, the cost, there are steps in the works to encourage those who get this training in the Northern Kentucky area to put it into practice here. According to Garen Colvin, the president and CEO of St. Elizabeth Healthcare,
I think for us the beauty would be scholarship and some of those to keep them in the area.
Would be great. They still have to work out the timeline. Is expected things will begin by at least the fall of 2019. They already have similar programs in the works at Bowling Green and at Moorhead, so this would be the 3rd. They plan to start with about 20 students, as you heard him mention, get up to 40. Could make a big difference.
Yeah, that's great.
40 and 40 and 40, that starts to add up over time.
Well, that's how you feel, and this really is the right way to address, we say what could manage our health care costs?
Yeah.
Better access, and primary care mainly, is really where that's needed, and this certainly would be a first step. Yeah. All right, back at 5:30.